Welcome back to my channel, Performance RC. Just a quick update video here. Got some goodies in the mail today from TMR Performance. So my good pal Alan from TMR, thank you, man. I asked for some stickers and look what you did. You got me some stickers. Awesome, man. Appreciate that. But I just opened up your box, checked out the engine. So this was a Roven 27.5 cc stock. Sent it to him, and he did a full mod, full ported, light and flywheel. He basically did a good once over of this engine, and he's gonna make some good power out of this. So more videos to come soon. Let me see. Let's take this off. Here's the this is the intake that I had him put on for me. But let's see. You can see in there maybe. But yeah, let's see. Let's take a look at the exhaust here. Look at that. Wow. Man, Alan, you do great work, man. When I was opening this box, just packaging, you did an awesome job putting this all together in the box. Really great. But next video you see of this engine, it's going to be in the car. This is the car it's going in. It's going to be in the car, and we're going to be doing some test running with it. All the goodies that have to go on it. But this will be a Saturday night project to get this going for hopefully Sunday, and then middle of the week hopefully. Next thing that was in the box was a part I had him do for my Zenoa 320. Was just the top end. I sent him the top end for a 320, and he just did a basic port on it. And as you can see, look at, here you go. Look at that, his initials. I love that little touch right there, TMR. And he basically just, ported that. Did the transfer ports, awesome job, very professional. And then the intake and the exhaust and the other transfer port. So another great job. I can't wait to see how much extra horsepower or just power overall that gives. Really wakes up that 320 hopefully. But yeah, I'm super excited to get starting on this job here. Again, here's the other parts over here for the 320. So slowly I'll be putting everything back together. These cars have been apart for a couple months now, but the weather's finally starting to get nice. The city today is a beautiful day. Almost 50 degrees here in Pennsylvania. But yeah, the weather's finally starting to break, and hopefully you have more good days of running and good sunny days for Brappen. But yeah, I'm really stoked right now. Can't wait to I've been waiting for this engine for a while to get back from him. So if you haven't already, check out Alan from TMR Performance. Just Google TMR Performance RC. He's super knowledgeable, super nice guy, genuine guy right there. He'll do anything to your engines. But hit him up if you have any questions or you want to do something with your two-stroke engines. And I just want to say again, thanks, Alan. Out.